Hey everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you. Today we are working on the Mk5 Jetta here, aka Lil Red. We are going to be doing the billet valve cover from Integrated Engineering. So we're going to be getting this installed and start running the pipe for the AS1 catch can. So this is the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine, aka the 07K from Volkswagen. This is going to be applicable for any model really that came with the 07K. The Jetta, the Passat, the Golf, Rabbit, Beetle, or any of those cool little swaps that you have put this nasty little 5-cylinder into. So this catch can is going to be in a second video, so make sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned for that install. But today we are going to be installing the billet valve cover from Integrated Engineering and running the first run here for the AN line to the catch can. This is going to be a really good install video, whether you're going billet like this one or if you're sticking with the OEM with the PCV system built into it there. It's going to be a really good video to go over the swap on that, whether you're just changing the gasket, you're changing the OEM valve cover, or you're going to a billet valve cover like this setup here. I will leave links to all the products and tools used in this video down in the description below, so definitely check those out. If you click on them, it helps support the channel. Make sure you're subscribed up to the channel. Got lots of new videos coming out. Hitting that subscribe button is free. Helps the channel out, helps support me, helps support making more videos like this for you guys. Like I said, that catch can is part of this install, but that's going to be in the next video, so definitely make sure you're subscribed up and following along for the next video. After this one, we're doing the valve cover today. Do the catch can in the next one, and then we'll have the full setup done. Let's get this installed. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the install of the billet valve cover from Integrated Engineering on the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder 07K engine from Volkswagen. We got the billet valve cover installed and the first run of the AN line ran over to the catch can. This video will be the next video, so catch can install next week. Make sure you're subbed up, hit that subscribe button, don't want to miss anything. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Always curious to hear from you guys. I read all the comments and I respond to all of them. Usually, typically, I try to anyway. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and as always, I will see you in the next one.